Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the lower trailing arm mounts for my Chevy Silverado pre-runner. I did just do a quick time lapse, fully cleaning them, getting them fully prepped up. I had to drill the holes out just a little bit. So I got them stacked up in their sets here. They are nice and clean. All the holes fit nice and snugly and cleanly on the bolts. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to kind of Lego it together. I'm gonna clamp it down. I'm gonna put the bolt through it. Everything. I did make a spacer, same as the video I did for the upper mounts. I made a spacer that's specific to the Hyman bushings specifications here. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to Lego it together. I'm gonna bolt it together. I'm gonna put a clamp on the outside. I'm gonna throw a bunch of random tacks around it to hold it in shape. I'm gonna take the clamp off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna fully burn it in. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse on that, and we'll just show you guys the quick process. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna watch it happen, so I'm not gonna do step by step. I'm basically just gonna do a time lapse and just let you guys check it out. So let's get going. Alright guys, so that is it. These things turned out sick. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to make a set of these for quite a while. It's been on my bucket list for years and years. So finally officially have my hands on a nice set of files. I am going to be offering both of these for sale on my website. Probably throw them on eBay as well, as long as with a bunch of my other stuff on there. So I am going to have the lower trailing arm mounts. They have a 3-inch spread right here. It is all 3/16 steel, fully welded inside and out, all around inside, everything. So same as the upper link mounts, it's all 3/16. The upper link mounts has 2 adjustabilities, so you can move and adjust the angle of where your upper 4 links heim mounts are going to sit. So these actually sit inside the frame like this, then your bars and your heim go into it. So as you're adjusting your angle and your alignment and everything, you can have some adjustability on those. So that's going to be a wrap. Thanks again for watching. Uppers and lower link mounts. So I'm pretty excited. Here shortly I'm going to do a video. We're going to do the full 4 link on my truck. We're going to probably back it in or something. We'll figure it out. But I'm talking to you guys remember Michael way back when we started the channel. He's going to come in for a weekend and he's going to help me knock it out. So pretty excited getting the last couple parts together. I got to get a C-notch because we are probably going to leave the frame. We're debating if we want to do full back half, but I really like the weight and I really already like how the setup already is. I put a lot of time into how it is. So with that being said, that's going to be it. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.